Welcome to our post-game press conference. We are joined by our player of the game, CJ Perez, and Coach George Gallant. Coach George, I'll start with you. Another grinded-out game, but this time you got the victory. What were you able to do differently and successfully this game too?
Well, we just picked up our defense coming from when we were down by I think 5, going to the last two minutes and a half. We just picked up our defense, and I think we had 2 to 3 stops there. So, and then that gave us our fast break points. I think Don had 2 of that. And and then plus offensively, we were just pushing the ball down and looking for open players. They were looking for open players, and fortunately, the shot of CJ and Marcio entered. It was in the same spot pa. So, very good for us. Very good shot for CJ to bring it down to 1. And good shot for Marcio to give us this victory today. So kudos to the 2 of them.
Coach, with the series now tied, what would be the focal point of the practice or the walkthrough tomorrow?
Well, it's just gonna be when we lost game 1, it was just all we watched a lot of tapes, and we just talked about it and decided what to do on our bad things, and just to continue to get better on the good things we were doing on game 1. But what the bad things we were doing, we just fixed it, and we just tried to adjust coming here to game 2.
Thank you very much, Coach. Now, CJ, hindi ka ganun ka-satisfied sa performance mo nung game 1. Paano mo ginamit yon to have this bounce-back game?
I'm just doing the right thing na sa depensa and offense talaga, and ayokong sirain yung trust nila, Coach, and I know since day 1 talaga nagtrust sila sa akin, so pinapalitan ko lang, and ayun, sobrang crucial kasi nitong game 2 na to, kaya binigay talaga namin 110% namin, pero hindi siya perfect, pero ayun, nakuha namin yung panalo, and makakapag-adjust pa kami sa mga mistakes namin. Yeah.
Just like in game 1, CJ, you were also in foul trouble early in the game. How did you manage to find the balance between staying aggressive on offense and defense and at the same time managing your fouls?
I'm just containing my man. Yun na lang yung nasa isip ko. Hindi na ako umi-steal, hindi na ako nag-gamble talaga kasi first half may 3 na naman ata ako, so kailangan ko ingatan yun, and sinabihan naman ako nila, Coach. Talagang nire-remind nila ako every pasok ko.
We're now ready to entertain questions from the press.
CJ, congratulations.
Thank you.
CJ, before nung press mo, when you're down for may namintis ka, how do you keep yung, kahit nagmintis ka before, then press si Banquero na still keep yourself na makakashoot ka pa din, or at least you're not, you kept yung composure na makatira ka ng press to keep your team alive?
Ayun, kinip ko lang talaga yung composure talaga, and syempre, sabi ko nga, hindi perfect lagi eh. Magbintis man ako, pero titira pa rin ako. May mga nagsasabi nga, bakaw ako, pero bakaw talaga ako. Pero yun talaga yun. Yun talaga yun. I'm just trying to help my team, and syempre, every game talagang binibigay ko 110% ko. Whatever happens, talagang go lang ng go.
CJ, and follow up lang, last game medyo nang gigil kaya ata dun sa referee's calls, pero ngayon ba may halong gigil ba yung performance mo in today's game 2? Kasi kahit na yung stakes matay lang yung series, may gigil pa rin ba dun?
Sinabi ko sa sarili ko na di ko na papansinin yung mga ganung bagay, and it's my mistake also. Syempre, if they review the tape nung game 1, I think it's my fault naman na foul ako na maaga, and I just in-address ko lang nitong game 2, and I just being careful na lang, so yeah.